Good morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. For the last few weeks, we have been discussing that the rupee is going to get stronger and it is going to move below 81.50. Finally, patience has paid off and it has closed below 81.50 in the NDF market. Now, a lot of exporters and importers must be thinking that what's next, whether it is going to move towards 80.50 or it is going to move towards 82. Now, let us understand what are the factors on both the side and then we can come to a conclusion. On the positive side, we have a lot of inflows which are lined up in next 15 days to 1 month, which are RBI Green Bond, SBI Infrastructure Bond and Adani Enterprises FPO. While the other story which we have been discussing from last 1 month remains the same. For example, US data are not coming that stronger, which indicates that in coming days Fed will not going to increase interest rate aggressively. Based on that, dollar index will be under pressure and all emerging market currency will get stronger. Crude oil price is on a downward trajectory and all emerging market and Asian currency are appreciating like Chinese currency and Japanese currency. Now let us discuss negative factors which can affect rupee. The first negative factor is FIIs are continuously selling in Indian equity market. In last 15 days, they have sold close to 15,000 crore. So there is an outflow in terms of equity and debt market. Second, RBI can intervene close to 80 to 81 kind of level to build up their reserve. Third negative factor can be oil marketing companies can again start buying because they have got a big opportunity of correction by 1.5 rupees. So this all can be a negative factor. So based on above factor, we can conclude that the pair will enter into a consolidation phase where on lower side rupee can move towards 80 and on the upper side rupee can move towards 81.5 to 81.80 kind of a level. But the biasness of the pair remains on the stronger side. Any upticks should be used as an opportunity to sell. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporters. We have been advising them that they should cover 100% on a back-to-back basis when the rates were high. We've been also guiding them that whenever the appreciation will come, it will come at a very fast pace and that they will not get a chance to cover. And exactly the same has happened. For those who have missed covering at the higher level or those who have got new orders during the weekend, for them we are suggesting two ideas. First idea is that cover 60 to 70% of their open exposure between 81.40 to 81.50 kind of a level. For remaining position, they can target 81.70 to 81.80 kind of a level. But the important point to note is that they have to keep a stop loss of 81.20. If 81.20 is broken, they should simply go and cover everything, because once 81.20 is broken, the pair will again move towards 80.80 level. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters. All forwards booked at higher level must be in the money at this point of time. Now it is a time that they take some money off the table. Because of that, we are suggesting three kind of strategy to thick margin exporter. Strategy number one is when the rupee is near 81 to 81.20, they should utilize all the profitable forward contract. Second idea is that they should not go below 45% of the total hedge ratio. Third idea is that in order to book further, they should wait for level of 81.50 to 81.80 and they can keep a stop loss of 81.20. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Patience has finally paid off to all importers who have been waiting and not hedging at the higher level. Few of them have also taken buyer's credit. Now we are discussing three steps for all kind of importers. The first step is to cover their near-term imports till January end between 81.10 to 81.40 kind of a level. The second step is whoever has taken imports का buyer's credit above 82.5 level, they should hedge 60 to 70% of their exposure between 81.10 to 81.40 kind of a level. For medium to long term imports, they should wait for some time before taking any action. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you.